What's up, YouTube? What's up? How you doing today? I pray all is well with you. But just in case you didn't know, today is the day the Lord has made. So rejoice and be glad in it. Today on the channel, we are going to be looking at the monthly nail subscription box from Makartt. This is for the month of August. And I just want to see what it got going on in it. And I thought you might want to see too. So, hey, let's go and get into the kit. But before we do that, first of all, let me say thank you so very, very much for you just stopping by my channel and checking me out. You could be anywhere else on anybody else's channel, but you chose me. And I really dig that. I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. This veteran girl over here, she so appreciated it. And I just want to tell you that every time I see that I got a new view, I'm over the moon. So thank you so very much. And now let's get into the kit. Okay, you get some glitters. Look at this beautiful pink. Like it has some colors in it right there. Like it's pink and purple and hot pink. Then it's lime and pink. Then it's lime pink and purple. Then there's lime pink and purple and looks like a green a little bit. You have some like leaves and unicorn. That's not a unicorn, Lil. That's a flamingo. You have some flamingos and some unicorns. No, why do you keep saying unicorns, Lil? No. Yeah, look, girl. It's leaves and flamingos. Flamingos, okay? And then, metal charms, which are leaves. They're leaves. You also get some stickers. And it looks like these are leaves as well. Birds, leaves, flowers, love on one side. And then on the other side, you have some leaves in white and black. I guess that would be black, silver, white, and black. And last but not least, it is not last. Haha, it is not. You get some, doesn't say what it is, but it says nail liner. So let's check it out. That's spider gel. See that? That is spider gel. It's rose gold spider gel, which is good because I have gold, you know, and I have clear, and I mean, not clear. I have a little pink, but I didn't have rose gold. I have a little silver, so now I got rose gold. So that's good. Now, last but not least, you get a nail surface cleaner, which you know how when polygel cures or gel polish cures, it leaves that sticky tacky layer. Well, this says nail surface cleaner. So this is a 2-in-1 formula. I don't know what that means. 2-in-1, I guess it cleans your nail surface. And maybe it's a slip solution, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure on that. Don't quote me. But I'm thinking that's what that could be. It says 2-in-1. No instructions with it. So I'm thinking that's what that means, 2-in-1. But once again, This is the monthly August Makartt box. And you get some glitters. Matter of fact, you get 6 glitters. Different shades of pink, green, purple, blue. The metal stickers are, the metal charms are silver and gold. And then you get those, like you get the 4 glitters, and then you get the charms, and then you get the leaves and the flamingos. So that's what was in the glitter pack right here. And then you get the stickers as well in the glitter pack with the colorful stickers, and then you get the silver, gold, the silver, white, and black. And then you get the spider gel, the 2-in-1 surface cleaner, the base coat, 2 poly gels, a pink gel polish, and a nude pink, which is Nude Pink, Delicatesse, which is a light baby pink, almost white kind of pink. Kind of like the label. See, it's kind of pink, but not, but is. So that's what comes all in the Makartt August monthly kit. It's a good kit. This kit goes for $35 a month. Like I said, it's monthly. And each month you get at least 2 poly gels. You get some polishes, usually a base coat or a top coat as well. You get some kind of new, something like a spider gel or a chrome pen or something like that. And you get some slip solution usually. You get some stickers usually, and often glitters. So for $35, that is so worth it, because you can't really, for $35, you could not get, all of those things will cost you much, much more than $35. That's for sure. So that's why I tell you that sometimes the subscription boxes is kind of a way to go if you're starting out and trying to build up your supplies like me, because you know, at first I just bought every little item, you know what I mean? Until I got hip to the subscription boxes, you know, I didn't know anything about that. So I would see someone on YouTube do a set of nails. Oh, I want that product if I like that nail set, or if I want to learn how to do that. So I'm going to go search that and find that and try to buy that. And then next week or the next day or the next hour, it's another person doing something else. And then I want that. So usually when you get these nail subscription boxes, they have most of the equipment, most of the supplies, and things that you're gonna need. Because sometimes you do get, like last month, you got tips. Like sometimes you get tips as well. You know what I mean? So it's a way to kind of get your stock, your supply up without spending a whole bunch of money. I didn't know that at first, and so I just, you know, bought, like I said, I bought everything separate until I got hip to the kits. It didn't take me long to get hip to the kits. And then the kits, you get like polished sets, you know what I mean? Like I got some sets right here just from kits, you know what I mean? Like I got 2 of these at a time from Makartt and stuff like that. So it builds up your supplies, and it builds them up quickly, you know, and it is a lot of product. They're normally full-size bottles or containers. So, I mean, it's worth it if you're going to be doing the nail and playing with the nail. You might as well get the subscription, at least 1 or 2, so that you can have a constant supply, a fresh supply, a updated supply, if you will, of the new nail items that come out. It's a way to stay current, if you will, for me, because I personally sometimes just don't know what to look for, you know, because I'm not a nail tech, and because I'm just doing it as like what I see. Hey, I want to make that. Let me see, can I make that? Can I do that? You know what I'm saying? Can I learn that? You know, so it's a good way to get your supplies up quickly, if you will, and it's a good way to get quality products that you don't have to guess at You know, is this good? Is this going to be thin? Is this going to be bad? You know what I'm saying? Is this going to be just water? You know what I mean? So it's a good way to get nice quality products, you know, because Makartt, that's a good brand. You know, that's a nice quality stand-up brand in the nail world. So a box from Makartt for $35, that's kind of a gem, you know what I mean? Because just a couple of these items here would be more than $35 on the website or Amazon. You know, you just get you a polish and get you some poly gel. Hey, that's pretty much $35 right there. Pretty much. So if you get a subscription box, then you kind of get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that, a little bit of that, you know, all at one time. So go ahead and figure out which one you want. You know, you don't have to get them all, but just watch my channel and I'll tell you what's in the boxes or what's in the kits, and then you can decide for yourself, you know, what you want to get and what you want to have. Because when you're starting out and you're seeing all these different ideas and these sets of nails and you loving it, you want to do them all, and you want to do them all now. So you want the equipment now. You don't want to wait. You don't want to, you know what I mean? So if you have a subscription box coming in monthly, you are guaranteed to have a nice fresh supply of goodies for your nails every month. And who doesn't like a package coming every month? Oh, tell me who doesn't like that. I know I do. Okay. So thank you for joining me and seeing what's in the Makartt box. I think I am going to try to make a set of nails with this kit. And you can hang out and watch me do that if you like. But thank you, nevertheless, for checking me out and checking out the things in this Makartt box. And if you get some boxes and some subscriptions, let me know what you get. Because, you know, I only know about a few. I don't know about a whole lot of them. You know, maybe 5 or 6. Could be 7. But I like to know what's out there. You know, I like to know what are the good boxes. You know, what boxes will I get the good charms? That's not the charms that's just gonna fall down as soon as I open it up to put it on my nail. You know, you want to know what is a good polish, you know, what's good quality acrylic and poly gel. So just hang out with your girl Elle, and I'm gonna tell you the kits I get and show you, and then you can make a decision from there. But I do thank you once again for hanging out with me and checking it out. And hey, just sit back and just watch me create a set of nails. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.